Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle animation like this. In this tutorial I use Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 15 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it Stardust. 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 Then hit OK. Go to effects and presets also and type Stardust. Stardust. OK. Drag and drop or double click. And yeah, here we go. Okay, now I'll go to layer and I'll add new light and light type point and choose your color. I'll choose the orange one because I want to make this particles gold. Okay, so press OK. Now I'll go to point light and press P and I'll change all position here to 0. Okay, yeah, and go to white position, it down like this also. Okay, go to first frame, keyframe, go 5 seconds forward and yeah, move positions like this. Okay, and see. Okay, now I'll go to Stardust and set point to light. Okay, yeah, set point to light, and that's all right now. So I'll go to particle and I'll change open particle properties and I'll change size to 2. Okay, also I'll change color to orange like this and yeah, set normal here to add. Okay, now I'll go to auxiliary and I'll parent auxiliary with particle and I'll go to particle per seconds. I'll change it to 50 and also speed here. I don't need any speed, so I'll press 0. Now I'll go to particle, Control D to copy and take particle 2 and I'll connect particle 2 with auxiliary and see. Okay, now I'll go to emitter again. Okay, emitter again, I'll go to inertia and I'll increase it. Yeah, like this. Okay, and I'll go to particle 2. Life per seconds, I'll change it to 4. Yeah, and see. Again, I'll go to inertia. Yeah, yeah, this is good. Okay, now I want to gold color. It's good. Or this one is good. Also here. Yeah. Also this color is good. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to transform and parent with particle, then go to scale Z and change it to 0. Okay, and see. I like Stardust. It's very cool. Okay, now I'll go to mhm, emitter and particle and control D to copy. Okay, and I'll go to emitter here and set light to box. Also speed, change speed to 0. Okay, and I'll go to size X and Y, increase X and Y like this, and also particles per second, I'll change it to 300. Okay, yeah, now I'll go to effect, stylize and glow. Okay, and I'll go to threshold here and I'll increase it a little bit like this. Also radius. Okay, and now I'll add a background, put it down, go to effect and gradient, gradient ramp, and set linear ramp to radial ramp. Set this point into the middle and change this color like this, and also like this color. Okay, yeah. Now go to Stardust, go here 3 seconds forward, or yeah, 3.5, and keyframe, go to emitter number 1. Okay, keyframe here and go few frames forward and change it to 0. Okay, and press U to see. I think these points, and yeah, yeah, this is good. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.